This video is about monohybrid inheritance, which you can find on page 8 of your revision guide. Gregor Mendel was a priest who first off studied how single characteristics were inherited on pea plants. This type of inheritance is called monohybrid.
After studying and crossbreeding small plants with tall plants, he found out that their offspring were all tall. He then named tallness a dominant characteristic after seeing how it dominated the shortness gene. After looking into the second lot of offspring, he noticed some were tall and some were short. He then named shortness a recessive characteristic. How characteristics were inherited. From his experiments, Mendel drew the following conclusions. Sexually produced offspring receive the same number of genes from each parent. The development of any particular characteristic, therefore, must be controlled by a pair of genes, one from each parent. Alleles must be split when gametes, sex cells form. Mendel used Punnett squares to show both parent alleles to show us what their offspring would be. This is useful when genetic disorders come into play, so you can see the chances of the offspring getting on. Other things you need to know about monohybrid inheritance is the genotype, the alleles of genes that is inherited from parents, the phenotype, the characteristics a person displays, e.g. hair colour. The dominant allele is the stronger characteristic that will always be shown in the phenotype. The recessive allele is the weaker characteristic that will be masked unless two recessive alleles are present. Homozygous is identical pairs of alleles of a gene, e.g. two capital R's, and heterozygous are two different pairs of alleles, e.g. a capital R and another R.